Another quite useful thing in Team Developer 6.2 is the new ability to dock dialogs to dialog boxes. For example, if you want to provide a toolbar within all your form windows and all your dialogs to your users, you are now able to do that with dialogs as well. So docking dialogs to dialogs is what this video is about. So now let's run this sample application. The sample application is being compiled to .NET now, as you can see in the bottom right corner here. My build target is .NET now. And what I have now is a modal dialog that has 3 child dialogs, which are toolbars. And I can now dock these toolbars to any position in this dialog. I can set up, a view like this. And now I have prepared the existing function save dock status that will save the status of this layout, of the docking layout of this window, into an XML file. If I press this button here, it will create an XML file, which is my dialog.xml. If I open this in an editor, you see that's a well-formatted XML file that exactly describes where the toolbars are docked, which exact position, and things like that. Now, going back to the application, if I now go back and undock these toolbars, just throw them somewhere into the client area, and now I load the docking status by clicking this button, then the design that previously was saved is being applied to the toolbars and the parent modal dialog. So this is how docking dialogs to dialogs works at runtime. Now let's have a look at the source code and at the properties of this dialog. First, look at the properties of this dialog DLG4. If I open Attribute Inspector, then you can see there's a new Attribute Inspector item, allow child docking yes. If you set that to yes, then this dialog accepts childs to be docked to itself. Now, if you look at the code further here, the first thing that happens is on SAM create, we post a message to this button, actually HWND item, which is the SAM click message. And that means we are creating the 3 sub dialogs that are basically the toolbars here. And then the application is basically running. Now, if I want to save the current dock state to an XML file, then I use this method here, sal window write dock state. I pass in the window handle of the parent dialog and pass the file name of the XML file that I want to save that to. And the same is true for this button here, sal window apply dock states. This one reads my dialog.xml and loads it, applies this to this the parent dialog box here. So this is how docking dialogs to dialogs works. Actually pretty easy, as it did with form windows and dialogs before. Now you can dock dialogs to dialogs as well. And here is how that looks at application runtime. The main dialog opens with its child toolbars, and just see the buttons there, and if I apply the dock state that was previously saved, then this is being applied. So a modal dialog accepts child dialogs to dock to itself. Thank you for watching this new Team Developer 6.2 video. Stay tuned, as we are providing new TD 6.2 videos all the time. Thank you and goodbye.